Welcome to my Tailwind review for 2025. My honest take before you spend a dime. Now, what you're looking at right here is my Tailwind account. I'm going to show you how to create pins, why I like Tailwind, and why I came back. I've tried a few different ones, but I always like HubSpot for one, which is another good platform, but it's not the same. I like the way Tailwind creates pins a lot better. It's just easier to use for me, and then the pins look sharper to me as well. That's why I keep coming back. Right now, they are offering 50% off, so it's a huge discount. So if you're in the market for taking your Pinterest account and you want more free traffic and you want it on autopilot, now's the time to get it. So check out that link below in the video description box for 50% off any Tailwind plan that you choose. So with that being said, let me dive into this review and show you how easy this is to use and how the pins look. Actually, I can show you the pins right now. These are all scheduled. These are just some of them, as you can look on my screen here. I'll go kind of slow. You can see how sharp they look. And these are all set up to go out on certain days. You can see here. This is the 25th. The 26th, which is today, when I'm filming this video. And then these are all the pins I got going out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So it's kind of a bit. This is my largest day here. I usually like to do between 10 and 15 for a day, but you can do as many as you want, obviously. And then these are all set up to go out in the future. So, and then you got, so this is November 24th through 30th when I'm recording this. And like I said, there's a Black Friday deal going on. It's 50% off. Depending on when you watch this video, they might have it. It's depending on what kind of coupons you get. But right now it's 50% off, so it's a great time to get it. But anytime's a good time to get it, but now's the best time to get it because you're going to save a lot of money. Well, and then you can see this is December. So I don't got to do nothing. These are all scheduled to go out December 8th through 14th. And it's going all the way through January of next year. So I'm all set to go for a while, and if I want to add any, I can do that as well. But what you do is you go to create here. We're gonna put one of my URLs in from instantsalesfunnels.com, and we're gonna wait for it to generate. Try this one more time. This is a landing page, so I don't know how good it's going to... It usually comes up, but usually it takes a minute. We're going to try a blog post if this doesn't work. Might not be reading it, so we're going to have to go to... We'll try a blog post here real quick. And we will try... We'll just go in... We'll do my... We'll go... Let's go right here. Take this URL. This is my main site, jaysonlinereviews.com. So we're going to go back over. And we're going to try this with the blog URL. Put that in there, let it think. And it should come up. It's usually a lot faster than this. Having problems for some particular reason. Don't know why. There we go. So now the pictures have came up. One photo. You can do multiple photos. No photos. Then you got categories you can choose from. Content, you got a product, blog post, fact, how-to, list, news, quote. Promotion, you got an ad, announcement, contest, event and shows, reviews, user-generated content, sale. You got all these different industries you can see here. Style, seasonal, design trends. So you could do this, whatever it's deemed fit. Now you got to pick a picture. It's pulling up all the pictures from my particular blog post. And what you do, click on one of them. And there you go right there. Now the pictures here, you got different styles. You choose the one you like the best. And what you can do here is you go into, I like to make my text bigger so it stands out. So I'll click something that's real bold, the Alpha Slab 1. And then you can see it adjusted it, so now it's easier to read. And you just go through here, pick the ones that you like. Whatever ones look good to you that you think are going to get a lot of clicks. This one looks pretty good. Click continue selecting. You just go through and select them all. And then we're going to go back. Get out of this. Go back to photos. And we're going to select a different photo. We'll go to this one. And then we're going to delete this one so you don't have two come up. And we're going to go back to one photo. And there we go. Find the one you like. That looks pretty good. Continue selecting. We're going to do another one. That one looks good. And then we're going to go into review designs. And then we're going to click. When we're happy with everything, we're going to go to go schedule. It's going to tell you your Pinterest list you want to send these to. Click confirm. And then you're going to go over to pin details. This is really cool. It's got AI. Does this for you. And depending on the plan you choose, the more credit you get. So we're going to click Ghostwriter. I am posting about a featured product, a promotion or sale, behind the scenes, lifestyle content or information content. You add your keywords or phrases. Affiliate email funnel. And then we're going to put a call to action, like click to learn more, you could put, or try it out free, whatever you want to do. Then we're going to click generate pin details. And then you can see it's filling it out all for you. 3 different versions. We're going to click Save Details. Now we're going to click a pin, alt image, alt text, so you get more traffic off Pinterest. We're going to put affiliate email funnels. And you can put obviously anything you want here. And then we're going to go to my save boards. We're going to do email marketing tips. I got a bunch saved there. Now we're going to go to affiliate marketing. So what this is going to do is going to post to every board every week. So you're going to have pins. Actually, I missed. Let's try this again. So it's going to post to every one of these like once a week. So you're going to have pins scheduled for the next 2 months, basically. So this picture and different variations are going to go out to all these different boards at different times. So you're filling up your schedule so you don't got to do this over and over again. Instead of doing this manually, you have it all set up. Everything's going to be done for you in autopilot. When to post. It's got smart schedule recommendations. And these are, we've analyzed millions of social posts and discovered when your followers are most likely to be online and engaged. Pretty neat, isn't it? So you can select this one. Goes out a few weeks in advance. This is actually a week now. Or you can put a custom time. You want it to go out now. You select custom time. And you select now. There. And then all you got to do is hit schedule post. And then all these are going to go out. You see right here? Tuesday, November 26th goes to this board. Tuesday, December 3rd, like I said, it goes to this board. December 10th, this board. December 17th, 24th, 31. All the way through the end of January, it's going to be posting this particular pin. So I got 2 months basically, or more than that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, almost 2.5 months here of pins from one post that's going to automatically go out and can generate me traffic for a long time to come. All right, so that's that. That's how easy this is to use. Now we're going to go back. We're going to try to do one more. I've already got that scheduled, so I don't want to schedule it again. We're going to go back to, and we're going to try to do, hang on one second here. We're going to try to do this one. This is my main page on my main site, jaysonlinereviews.com. And we're going to see if we can make this go out again. And it's thinking, give it 1 sec. All right, as you can see, it's coming up. Now we're going to do this one real nice. So you got a free book. You got a bunch of different nice pictures on this one. I love this picture right here. Video editing, AI tools, free book. Looks good. I don't need to change the text too much. So we find ones we like. Obviously, you go through all the different pictures it creates, different designs. And we select what we like. Obviously, click this one. Continue selecting. We're going to select this one. Continue selecting. We're going to try a different picture. We're going to go with this one next. Say I like this one's pretty cool. Just go through and find the ones you like, and then we're going to go try a different one. We'll try this picture. And we're going to click select. See how cool these look and professional. So once we're done, we'll try one more. And then you just click review designs when you're done uploading what you want. Go to schedule, or you can download the designs. Your list is automatically added. Your Pinterest account. And we're going to do the same thing we did before. Use Ghostwriter to write it out and follow the same exact directions. And that's going to fill up your Tailwind. Basically, it's similar to email, autoresponder sequence where all your pins are going to go out. Could be days, months in advance, like I just showed you on mine. Depends how many boards you have. But it's really a big time saver, and it's well worth the money. Because with Google nowadays, you can't really trust search engine traffic anymore. It's kind of a dying industry. So as far as Google goes, that's, from my point of view, I would never count on it. Any extra traffic I get from like the search engines is a plus, but I'm never counting on it. And you shouldn't either, just because you know how they've been changing their algorithm since ChatGPT and all the different AI came out. So it's a lot harder than it used to be to get free organic traffic. So Pinterest is a great way to get traffic to make up for a lot of that search engine traffic that we all lost. But yeah, that's that. We're going to go home here. And that's it. I'll show you some more of my designs here. Scroll down to this page, and then I'm going to end this video. You can see all the cool designs I've made. I've had this for about 4 months now. I like Tailwind a lot. It's pretty cool. It's very easy to use, and it comes up with some nice designs. And I can spend my time doing other things once you get this set up, where you don't got to constantly be pinning all the time. You just set it up, let it go on autopilot, and direct traffic over to whatever, your blog post, your lead capture page, your an affiliate program you're promoting, whatever it may be. But that's that. This is my Tailwind review. I hope you like my review. I hope gave you a quite nice little breakdown of the product, what it can do. That's just part of what it can do. It can do a lot more, but I just went over the main. And you can also post, I forgot to other social networking sites as well with Tailwind. It's got Instagram and Facebook and some other ones too, so that's pretty cool. So you can see up top here. I only use it for Pinterest, but you can use it for other ones as well, so that's cool. So you can use it as your all-in-one, basically, social media pinner, where it's taking all your best posts and sharing it on Pinterest and getting you a bunch of free organic traffic in the process. And like I said, if you're watching this video, I'm filming this on near Black Friday at the end of 2024. It's just all to depend when you're watching this video. But it's 50% off right now, so check out that link directly below in the video description box and take advantage of that, because if you're in the market for this, you're not going to get a better deal. Now's the time to buy it. So with that being said, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit like on the video if you enjoyed it, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for all future video updates. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.